mediastinal relation of right lung and left lung versus marriage relation of husband and wife. Here right lung is compared with husband and left lung is compared with wife. Right lung is husband because husband is always right, and left lung is wife, always give threatening to leave the house. What a beautiful couple. Lado weds Ravi. Ravi, that is husband, right lung. So R for right lung and V for Vena system. Right lung on the mediastinal surface mainly has got Vena system impression. Where is the Lado, that is left lung, has got impression of arterial system. So LA, Lado. कॉमन इंप्रेशन ऑफ अ हस्बैंड, सब एक जैसे ही होते हैं. सो mediastinal impression of right lung, sub, that is superior vena cava, arch of azygous vein, B for brachiocephalic vein, and ic, that is inferior vena cava. Here you can see that is, this one is superior vena cava, A for arch of azygous vein going posteriorly, not in this picture. Then B for brachiocephalic, this one is brachiocephalic vein, and then inferior vena cava. Here lies inferior vena cava. Okay, सब एक जैसे ही होते हैं. Now the common impression of a wife, आदतन सक्की, always have doubt. So mediastinal impression of left lung, आदतन, that is ascending aorta, arch of aorta, and then it becomes descending thoracic aorta, adatan, sakki, that is subclavian artery, left subclavian, and common carotid, that is left common carotid. Here you can see this is ascending aorta, then arch of aorta, then it becomes descending thoracic aorta, the left subclavian and the left common carotid artery. Here also you can see these are the, this is the mediastinal impression of right lung, that is of husband. सब एक जैसे ही होते हैं, that is of superior vena cava. This is of superior vena cava. A for arch of azygous vein. This one is the impression of arch of azygous vein, opens into the superior vena cava. B for brachiocephalic vein. This one is of brachiocephalic vein. सब एक जैसे, and this is inferior vena cava. Here is the inferior vena cava impression. Then this is of wife, that is adatan sakki. This is of ascending aorta, then arch of aorta, then descending thoracic aorta. This is of left subclavian and left common carotid. Here we have seen few notable points of husband. They usually return home at night after doing so many work outside. So right lung's mediastinal surface has mainly impression of Rath, that is right atrium. Here you can see this one is right atrium. So the main impression is of right atrium. Here also you can see this one is of right atrium in the right lung. And few notable point of wife, that wife only can be managed with love. That left lung mediastinal surface has mainly relation of love, that is left ventricle. Here you can see this one is left ventricle. Here also this big area is for left ventricle. Husband and wife both are essential piece of family, essential tukra. Right lung and left lung both has got impression of tukra, that is tukra, trachea and esophagus. Here you can see this is trachea and just behind is the esophagus. Here also you can see behind that most posteriorly is the esophagus and in front of that is the tracheal impression in both lung. In family, they should keep peace at utmost priority, that is in front of all differences, peace should be in front and violence behind. So for this is concerned with the both lung. Anterior to lung root is the phrenic nerve, P for peace and P for phrenic nerve. In front, that is anterior to lung root. And violence behind, that is vagus nerve, posterior to lung root. And behave sympathetically to each other. That is the sympathetic ganglia in the paravertebral gutter. As I am also wife, so I must add two things in favor of wife. Indian wife does not leave husband till death. She lives for a while, then again come for speaking, not with the fighting words, but for telling how to live your life. Only left lung. So this is about the wife, and wife is left lung. So only left lung has got two additional relation. She doesn't leave husband till death. So TD, that is thoracic duct. And live for a while, that is left. Again come, that is recurrent. For speaking, that laryngeal nerve. So these two are additional items which are in relation, not impression, in relation with the left lung. Happy family.